The rear bench seat can be folded up for increased storage capacity, or when you need to remove the jacking tools stored beneath it. First, lift up on the front of the seat cushion. Then, fold the bottom of the seat cushion toward the back of the vehicle until it locks in place. For additional storage, follow the same procedure with the seat cushion on the other side of the vehicle. To return the cushions to seating positions, pull the latch on the bottom of the seat cushions to release the seat from the locked position. Push down until the seat cushion is in place. The top tether anchor points for a child safety restraint are behind the rear bench seat. To access them, tilt the rear seat back forward by lifting up on this pull strap behind the seat back. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.